This afternoon, fellow Ateneo Hearters. I am Aidan Bernales of grade 11 Gaudium, and we welcome you to the sprawling campus of Sacred Heart School, Ateneo de Cebu.
That it's I become a student again and experience this long lost feeling of being a student.
Experience in the morning, we went out and we walked with the saints. That time I was feeling little hot. That time she was saying, please take this fan, hand fan so please. In that I see the feelings for others, which already part of the Jesuit education, and I have seen this quality and ability in all the students.
What I wanted about this morning was actually going back to school because it has been 30 years already. And like what Alexis said, I became very curious and actually a little bit scared, worried because I found out this morning that there were quizzes and I don't know if I was ready to take it.
The opportunity to see not just the per hour, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 schedule of a student, but really what goes on, especially the in-between. Mel and I, we met before her first period, actually before her homeroom. So I saw her in her most natural environment. I got a chance to also hang out with her and her friends. That was a very good opportunity for me to see not the student in the classroom, but the most natural environment. Sometimes they talk about their lessons, sometimes they chit-chat, sometimes they complain and whine, which is very normal, not just for students, but as a human being as well.
I also think that this experience is important for us as an educator. I myself planning to do something similar in my own school, for me and for my colleagues.
The most important thing is about the ignition phase, about who that person is. How do I really take care about my students as a person? I have to really know about the situation and condition of my student personally, not as a big class, but person by person.
Basically, from my point of view, my class is very interactive. I learn something that teacher should come to class and prepare.
The biggest thing that I learned from experience is that despite two different people with different backgrounds, different social status, they can still connect to each other without actually stepping on each other.